talk about the tag processor and the Accelerator RTAC software, what it's used for, and give you a short example of mapping tags. So the tag processor is a powerful tool that provides a really easy method of mapping tags from sources to destinations in the RTAC, and also provides the ability to perform some logging functions. We'll talk about those later. So this is the tag processor function right here. You access it by clicking on tag processor. The default grid is defined in such a way that makes it easy to map tags. But there are many more columns besides the ones that are shown here, and you can access those by clicking on options. And you can see that there are different templates that are already built for you, or you can click on columns and enable any of those columns that you'd like to. But today we're just going to talk about mapping tags. So there's a source expression right here, and the source expression can be a tag or it can be an expression of a mathematical equation or basically anything. And that's kind of defined as data coming into the RTAC. The destination tag you can think of as data going out of the RTAC. So that would be SCADA tags, for example. So to map some tags, I've got a 351S relay configured already. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on the Tags tab, which shows you all of the tags that I've enabled previously. And here they all are. So I'm going to copy some of those. And to do that, all you have to do is just highlight the ones that you want and hit Control-C for copy. And then go over to the tag processor and paste them in. And I'm going to paste those, and I've already done it here. I'm going to paste them into the source expression because that's the source of my data. That 351S is the source. So here they are. I've got some SPSs, which are single point statuses or digital inputs, some CMVs, which are complex measured values, and those would be the analogs like voltages, amperages, things like that. So those are all right here in my source expression. And then I'm going to click on my shared map, my DNP shared map, click on tags again, and that's going to be all of the tags that I've configured for this shared map. Copy those and then paste them into my tag processor in the destination. And the result is that all of the data that is associated with these SPSs and CMVs is now transferred over to my SCADA tags. And that's it. That's all you have to do to get data from the IEDs to SCADA. It's pretty easy. Now you'll see also these next couple lines are controls. The controls are a little bit different because the source of the control is actually coming from SCADA or an HMI. So it's going to be in the source expression. So I have here DNP supports trips and closes and latches and pulses and a lot of different kinds of controls. So I've just placed this trip and close that's going to come from my SCADA system here into the source. And then I've put the trip and close for my breaker in the destination. So whenever the SCADA system sends a trip or a close, that'll map over to my breaker. And then the SEL client that I've configured will automatically send that out to the relay. An interesting thing in the tag processor is this code tab. You may see it down here. The code tab shows you all of the code that's generated by the lines that you've entered into the tag processor. You can't change that code that's in there. I'll just show it to you real fast. But it does show you that the quality, the time, and all of the aspects that are related to that tag are transferred over, and all of the code that's associated with that, just for your information. And that's pretty much it on this segment of the tag processor. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us here at SEL. You can look at the instruction manual or visit the SEL website. Thanks a lot.